Over time, the front of your car can really take a beating from rocks and road debris, so today we're looking at this Colgan Custom front end cover for your Focus ST. This is Colgan Custom's carbon fiber style vinyl front end cover for your 2015-18 Focus ST with a cutout for the front license plate. It's an official Ford licensed product that's made of high quality fade resistant carbon fiber style vinyl with an ST logo and soft flannel backing to keep your front end protected from scratches and dents. It features a two-piece design that's easy to install and features double padding and stitching in critical areas for maximum protection. Today we're going to show you how to install one of these front end covers using our 2013 Focus ST. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to install this front end cover is pop the hood and install the hood section. Place the cover on the front of the hood and make sure the ST logo is facing up, and then start on one side by getting the hooks in this hole right here. Once you get the one hook installed, stretch the cover over towards the other side. You will have to work it a little bit because it is a very nice tight fit. And then get your other hook installed. Next, install the lower piece and attach the two hooks on the very top first. Attach the hooks on the bottom of the cover to just behind the front bumper, underneath. There's a little lip that they just simply attach to. Place this piece between the headlight and the bumper. Then stretch the cover over behind the bumper and get these brackets on the back side of it to hold it in place. Do this on both sides, and then you're done. Okay, we got the front end cover installed on our 2013 Focus ST. It's going to be the same process for the 13 to 18 Focus ST. It's going to protect this front end a lot more from chips and scratches, and it doesn't really affect airflow through the grille at all. Install is super easy. It should only take about 10 to 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.